Hi, I'm Jana Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with dry steam vapor with tanks, one of the chemical-free tools in the modern cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. For this demonstration, I'm using the Advanced Vapor Technologies Ladybug 2350 Techno with tanks disinfecting technology. When you purchase a dry steam vapor system for use in your cleaning procedure, be certain first that you have thoroughly reviewed the current technical and scientific requirements for achieving disinfection and confirm that the manufacturer of your system has provided laboratory studies verifying that the equipment meets these requirements. A dry steam vapor system usually comes with a collection of attachments much like a vacuum cleaner system. Let's take a look at the basic unit and cleaning attachments that you might expect or be able to purchase with your unit. The base unit, in this case the Ladybug 2350 Techno, extension handles, hose assembly, nylon nozzle brushes, in this case 2, triangular brush or head, rectangular brush or head, window tool or squeegee, spatula or wallpaper remover, nozzle, boiler drain tool, filler pads, owner's manual, and training DVD. Let's take a close look at the pieces commonly used in the cleaning procedure and how they fit together. The Ladybug Techno Base unit is full of features that make it easy to use and maximize safety. Let's take a look at these features now. The carry handle makes it easy to grab, lift, and carry to and from each home and from room to room during your cleaning procedure. The water tank cap is located right on top for easy filling and later easy draining during maintenance. The start button is on the right and is an easy-to-press button which lights green when ready to operate. The front face of the Techno has 4 indicator lights to help you see at a glance the status of your device. The main switch indicator light lets you know the device is on and ready to operate. The Steam Ready indicator light lets you know that the device has completed its warm-up and the steam is ready to clean and disinfect. When steam is not used for a few minutes, the unit has a power save indicator light, which is automatically activated after a few minutes of non-use. The no water indicator lets you know when it is time to refill the reservoir. The unit will also beep when the reservoir needs refilling. The LCD display is an especially wonderful feature and shows pressure and temperature conditions in the heater, general conditions of the unit, and malfunctions of the heating or hydraulic systems. The steam hose socket with its hinged cover is located on the lower left, and we'll look a bit later at how to connect the hose properly. The casters are located underneath the unit and help it to be lightly mobile during use. Before connecting any attachments, make sure the unit is disconnected from the electrical socket. Pulling the flap well open, insert the hose assembly into the socket until it clicks into place. To detach the hose assembly, press the button to unlock and extract the connector. This component is part of the hose assembly and enables attachments of various cleaning accessories. The grip has a button for the distribution of steam and a trigger safety lock. To block or release steam, use the button positioned on the side of the grip. The lock and release position is indicated in the icon positioned on the grip. The handle is provided with an easy as 1, 2, 3 click selector for the steam level. Level 1 is low, level 2 is medium, and level 3 is high. Pull the trigger to release the stream. The extension handles are connected to the hose handle so that the work field is expanded, allowing you to reach high areas and low areas without stooping. All of the extension pieces have a bayonet-style push and lock security connector. To connect the handle to the extensions or to the accessories, simply insert and push as shown. To extract the accessory, turn the ring clockwise and pull. The extraction becomes a quick twist and pull motion as you become proficient with the equipment. The triangular brush is attached to the extensions or directly to the hose handle. A cotton or microfiber cloth can be attached to the brush for various cleaning operations. Modern cleaning recommends the use of ultra microfiber. The larger rectangular brush can also be used together with the cloth. The two spring clamps fasten the cloth at the sides. The large rectangular brush can be attached using the same procedures as with the triangular brush. The large brush has an articulated joint so the handle can be turned 90 degrees to the right and to the left. The nozzle can attach to the extensions or directly onto the handle. It can reach even the most awkward corners. The brushes and scraper enable special points to be cleaned which would be otherwise inaccessible with the other accessories. These three accessories are attached to the end of the nozzle.